Today we are making potato chips. Potato chips are very easy to make at home and they are so crispy, crunchy, and you can use any seasoning of your choice. So let's get started. So here I have my potatoes. I'm using 3 potatoes, but you can use as many potatoes as you want. Using a potato peeler, peel them nicely. If you don't have a peeler, you can as well use a knife. Ensure all your potatoes are nicely peeled. Now go ahead and slice your potatoes. I'm using a slicer to make thin slices. If you don't have a slicer, you can as well use a knife. Once you're done slicing, in a bowl of water, add in salt and your sliced potatoes and wash to remove excess starch. After the water turns cloudy, go ahead and drain the water. To the same bowl, add in clean water and wash it again. After this, drop the potatoes into a boiling water. Blanch the potatoes for 1 minute. No need to wait for the water to boil again because it's already hot. Go ahead and transfer it to a cold water to cool them down, and this keeps them from getting soft. As you can see, the potatoes are translucent but not mushy. On a kitchen towel, arrange all the potato slices and make sure they are not on top of each other. Let them dry completely. But if you don't have time, you can use a kitchen towel to dry out the excess water like so. This is perfectly dried and ready to fry. In your pan, add in a generous amount of cooking oil. Slowly put the potato slices in the oil and fry them while turning occasionally until there are no bubbles or sizzling sound. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Once you see no more bubbles, go ahead and remove them and let them cool down. Repeat the same process to the next bunch. Now the potato chips are ready and they're very crispy and crunchy. You can finish this whole bunch by yourself. Go ahead and enjoy this with your favorite seasoning. For me, I'll be using salt because I'll be enjoying this with my baby and he's not a fan of spices. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next one. Bye bye.